Hey, Max. What are you doing? Can we start our discussion about the job?
Of course. I am quite excited to know about your job experiences. I hope that we will be benefited from each other.
I'm also excited to know your experiences. You have more experience than me. I believe I will learn something new from you.
Please have a seat instead of standing.
Yeah, your house is looking gorgeous. I like the colors of your home.
Really? Thanks for your appreciation. Would you prefer tea or coffee?
I like tea and I like to drink tea since my childhood. You might don't know.
Really? That's nice, but I like to drink coffee all the time. Let me ask you the first question. What was your first ever job?
Well, my first job was working at a sailing school. So eventually I became a sailing instructor, but in the beginning, I was just a helper.
How many summers did you work at a sailing school?
That's a great question. I probably worked for 4 summers at the sailing school.
Cool. Did you enjoy that?
I loved it. I still miss that. The one thing that I think of when the weather gets summery. Let me ask you a little bit about your first job. What was it?
Okay, my first job was a paper round.
Nice. May I know how much payment did you get?
I got paid £9 per week initially.
That seems shockingly low.
Well, yeah. It was a lot of money when you were 12 or 13. I can't recall exactly, but I was 13. It was a cool job.
You really enjoyed the job. I can't believe it.
Yeah, I started off doing the afternoon. It might have been only 15 houses and I wore a paper bag or paper round bag and I put newspapers in there.
Were they heavy?
Those weren't, but then my next one was I had to do it on a bike. I put my bag in my back and fill it with newspapers. It was really heavy and I went on a bike.
It was tough. Is that the way you worked?
Yeah, but Sunday morning especially was very heavy. 'Cause they have those extra magazines in them and that was morning one. They paid me a little more because it was the hardest one.
So you got paid about £2 6 days a week? How long did it take to complete?
It took about 45 minutes. After the paper round, I had a milk round.
Oh my God! You had a milk round. Well, I think that there is no one in our generation in the United States who had a milk round.
I wonder if they still do it in the UK.
I don't know about it.
No problem. I did read that they are trying to bring it back. Instead of going to the store to buy milk, every morning, you have milk delivered to your doorstep. We used to stand on the back of the milk van.
This is crazy to me. It seems me so dangerous. You have faced so many difficulties in your life.
What other jobs have you had after sailing school?
To be honest, most of my jobs have been teaching jobs. So I have been an ESL teacher abroad and online. I have also been an English language teacher to American students. I have taught the English language. I have done that in public school.
Great. Did you have any jobs at college?
I mostly would focus on studying, and I was the captain of the sailing club. I also used to write books. That kind of work I did.
Oh, I see. Nice to hear this. What has been your most challenging job?
I would say that teaching has been my favorite job, and it definitely has its moments of stress and pressure from a variety of sources.
Let's talk about the dream job.
Okay, what's your dream job?
Well, the idea of the dream job is what you are not doing now, but you could do.
Okay, so if you were not doing this dream job, what dream job would you be doing?
A football manager.
Why do you think that would be your dream job?
I would say football player, but that's not gonna happen anymore, not because of ability, but for age. Well, football manager. I actually grew up playing a lot of computer games. I used to play for hours and hours. I love sports.
I loved your job experiences. Thank you so much.
You are most welcome.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.